Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I have brought to you these very easy earrings with pearls and the rondelles, and I have named these as easy pearl earrings. So I have made these earring in few more colorways. Let us see. This is in cream color. Then I have made this in this classic red color. One more in this gorgeous green color. Here I have added the drop, and you can see the look without the drop. So it's up to you. If you want to add the drop, you can add it. And in today's video, we are going to make this gorgeous easy pearl earring in dark teal color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our easy pearl earring in dark teal color. Friends, for making our easy pearl earrings in this gorgeous dark teal color, we are going to use these rondelle beads in dark teal color in size 3 by 4 mm. If your rondelles are slightly bigger than 3 by 4 mm, then they will also work. In fact, these rondelles are also 3.3 to 4.2 mm, so it doesn't matter. They always show as 3 by 4 mm on websites. So I'm using these rondelles. Here I'm using these 4 mm pearls. These are 4 mm shell pearls in pastel blue color, and these are Miyuki 11 O's in opaque matte luster cobalt color. These are Miyuki 15 O's in duracoat galvanized champagne color. Here I am using these Tohos. These are Toho 15 O's in metallic cosmos color. I'll be using these ear wires for my earrings. Here I'm going to work with Miyuki thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, for making our easy pearl earring, I'm going to use about 4 feet long single thread, and now I'll start making my easy pearl earring by picking up 4 mm pearls and bringing these down towards the end of my thread and tying a double knot. Like this. I'm going to pass through all these 4 pearls, pulling in the tail and the knot to secure my knot. Like this, and into this first 4 mm pearl. And now I'm picking up one 11 oco belt into the 4 mm pearl, picking up one 11 oco belt into the 4 mm pearl, picking up one 11 oco belt into the 4 mm pearl, and one 11 oco belt into the 4 mm pearl and into the next 11 oco belt. And after completing this round, you can see the look. And now I'm going to cut the tail off. And here, as I'm exiting through this 11O, I'm going to pick up 4 4 mm pearls and into the 11O, into the first 4 mm pearl, picking up one 11 oco belt into the next 4 mm pearl, then adding one 11 oco belt, just keep your thread nice and tight here, picking up one 11 oco belt into the 4 mm pearl, and now I'm going to skip this 11O and into the 4 pearl and the next 11, like this, down through the 4 pearl and the 11 couplet. Again picking up the set of 4 pearls into the 11 couplet, into the 4 pearl, 1 couplet, into the 4 pearl, 1 into the 4 pearl, 1 into the 4 pearl, and now skipping this 11 into the 4 pearl and the next 11, like this. So here we have added 3 components like this. We are going to add in all 4 components. So I'm going to add the 4th one now. So for the last one again, I'm picking up 4 pearls, into the 4 pearl, 1 into this 4 pearl, picking up 1 into the 4 pearl, again picking up 1 into the 4 pearl, skipping the 11 and into the 4 pearl and the 11, like this, into this 4 pearl and the 11. And now as I'm exiting through this 11, I'm going to pick up 6 15 champagne. So here I have picked up 6 15s into this 11. We are making a loop for our ear wire up through the first 2 15s, picking up 1 15 champagne into the third 15, picking up 1 15 champagne into the fourth 15, picking up 1 15 champagne down through these 2 15s. Once again, up through all these beads, skipping the 11 at the bottom, into all these beads, down through this 11. So here we have added the loop for our ear wire. Now, after exiting through this 11 couplet down through this 4 pearl and the next 11 couplet, and now I'm picking up 2 rondelles into the next 11, then picking up 2 rondelles into the next 11, picking up 2 rondelles into the next 11, like this, into the 4 pearl, 11, into the 4 pearl and the 11. And on this side again we are going to add the rondelles. So I'm picking up 2 rondelles into the 11, again picking up 2 rondelles into the 11 and the last pair of rondelles into the 11 like this, into the 4 pearl, the 11 down into the pearl 11 and the rondelle like this. And now picking up 115 champagne into the rondelle, again picking up 115 champagne into the next rondelle, picking up 115 champagne into the next rondelle, picking up 115 champagne into the next rondelle, again picking up 115 champagne into the rondelle 11, the pearl and the 11 like this. Into the pearl 11 and the rondelle, again picking up 115 champagne into the rondelle. So as we have added 15 here, we are going to add 15 here. So I'll be adding 15 till I reach this last rondelle over here and come back. And I'm adding my last 15 like this into the 11, the pearl and the 11. And here, as I'm exiting through this 11, I'm going to pick up 2 15 champagne, 1 rondelle and 2 15 champagne. So I have picked up the set of these 5 beads into this 11, the opposite one, like this. Again picking up the same set of 5 beads, 2 15, 1 rondelle and 2 15 into this 11. Again adding the same set of beads, 2 15, 1 rondelle and 2 15. And the last set of these beads, 2 15, 1 rondelle and 2 15 into this 11 at the bottom like this. Now I'm going to move up through these beads into these 5 beads that we just added into the 11 from the opposite side like this. Into these beads up through like this, and these 5 beads into the 11, again moving down through these 5 beads, the first set of 5 beads, picking up 1 15 cosmos into the next set of 5 beads, Again picking up one 15 Toho metallic cosmos into these 15 and the last 15 down through these beads like this, down to this 11 into these 11 the rondelle, so I'm just passing through these beads on the edge to give it a nice shape. Into these beads, eleven and into these beads. Now here I'm going to tie a knot. If you want, you can add a drop to this earring, as I have already done in my other earring. Just show you. Here I have added the drop. If you want, you can add the drop at the bottom, but here I'm not adding the drop. So you can see the look with the drop and without the drop. And now I'm going to tie a knot here in between the 11 and the 4 pearl. One more knot into the 4 pearl, 11 and the round tail, and now cutting the thread off. And here I'm going to place my ear wire. Just pull it out and slipping it into the hook loop, and we are done. So friends, here we have completed our easy pearl earring in dark teal color. You can see the look, the shimmer, and let us take a quick look over the other colorways that I have already shown you in the beginning of my video. This classic red color, then this green color, and one more with the drop, and this gorgeous green color. So these are some of the colorways, and these are the earrings, the easy pearl earrings, and I'm sure you will enjoy making these earrings. These are very easy and very quick to make earrings, and you will love making these earrings. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.